Carmichael here. I'm going to show you guys how to put a set of future fins in. Make sure your screws are out. Sometimes you get a bit of fiberglass stuck in here, just give it a quick check, but these ones look pretty clean. Heel it in first, jam it in the back, straight in, push it all the way down. Sometimes you get stuck, but you just got to jam it in there. Yeah, easy. And usually just screw it to, you don't want to push it all the way in just till it touches because the screws aren't moving, so just a light touch and then you're good to go. You can screw it too far and start cracking things out on that. When you're taking them out too, just the same thing, screw it all the way out. You don't want to get the whole screw out, but just get it so it's showing. They can get a little stuck sometimes when they get water suction in there. You just want to push down this and just, they usually come out pretty easy. Good to go.